Imagine feeding a sold-out stadium every single day. For free. 200,000 flatbreads. 7,000 kilos of lentils. Zero cost. This is the Golden Temple, the world's largest community kitchen. But how does it actually work? Let's take you inside. In Amritsar, India, a golden sanctuary never sleeps. This is the Langar, the world's largest free community kitchen. Every day, raw ingredients arrive by the truckload. Donated by devotees from across the globe. "12,000 kilograms of flour are needed daily to feed 100,000 hungry souls. Freshly ground flour is the foundation of the meal. Volunteers, known as Sevadars, dedicate hours to service. Giant mixers prepare the dough for rotis.
Water and flour bind together.
Heavy labor is performed with a smile. The dough is portioned for the machines, moving constantly to keep up with demand. Automation meets tradition. This machine is a marvel of efficiency. It flattens the dough faster than any human hand. Thousands of rotis per hour. Baked to perfection in seconds. A continuous waterfall of bread. But machines cannot replace the human touch entirely. Devotion is needed into every piece. The traditional method continues alongside the modern. Flipped at the precise moment. Every second counts. Enriched with clarified butter. Adding flavor and sustenance. Ready for the hungry crowds. A symphony of service. Carried with pride. Into the heart of the kitchen. Here, the scale becomes truly immense. Vats that hold quintals of lentils. Black lentils are the staple dish. Washed and soaked. slow cooked for creaminess. Stirred with oars designed for giants. Ensuring nothing burns at the bottom. The community comes together to chop.
No formal schedule, just willing hands.
Every clove prepared with care.
Fresh greens for nutrition.
Service is taught from a young age. The ingredients make their way to the fire. Preparing the tadka or tempering. Caramelizing for deep flavor. Spices to warm the soul. Merging the spice with the stew. The final touch. Something sweet for the end. Milk and rice simmering slowly. Fragrant cardamom adds a royal touch. Hygiene is paramount. The food is transferred for service. Ready to be carried to the dining hall. Rows upon rows of red mats. A space of equality. The steel thali plate is iconic. A bowl for water, a bowl for lentils. The doors open to all. Everyone sits together. This formation is called Pangat. No caste, no creed, just humanity. Service begins with a humble bow. Prasada. Received with two hands as a blessing. Hot, nourishing lentils. A perspective of gratitude. Water to cleanse the palate. Simple, honest food. The sweet conclusion. Hunger knows no religion. A massive, synchronized meal. Tangy pickle for zest. Gratitude for the nourishment.
The cycle continues.
The scale of cleanup is staggering.
Rush to the washing lines.
The loudest room in the temple.
Five distinct stages of washing. Scrubbed by hand. Rinse to purity. Double and triple checked. Stacked high for the next round. Keeping the chaos organized.
The work never stops.
Fueled by faith and tea.
As the day turns to evening,
The cycle begins again. The machine does not tire. New hands take over the burden. Selfless service is the highest reward. Inspired by the shrine next door. The fires are stoked once more.
A light that burns for humanity.
this is not just a kitchen. It is a temple of sustenance. A beacon of hope,
reflecting the goodness in us all.
cleansing bod and soul. The steam of service rises to the heavens. One small flame
Amongst a million others. The Golden Temple feeds the world. Daily, for free, forever.